Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This tiny red color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 6065. What we expected yesterday was we made it very clear about the importance of 6060, 6020 and 6000 zone, and we had also shown as an example how the price reacted on March 13th and 12th. After giving a retracement from 5980, it straight away went and tested 6100. So what we expected was this 6060 has got the potential to act as an intermediate zone to decide the trend. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, you can see straight away the price came down below 6060, like the way how it reacted when it tested the 6100 zone. You can slowly and steadily see the price was taking a resistance around 6060, but it is not coming down to test 6020. It is finding a resistance, and whenever there is a drop, there is a pullback to test the resistance. So the price is not coming down straight away, but in the earlier case, if you see that after coming down below 6060, the price straight away came down to test 6020. Even it broke this comfortably. But here, if you can notice that the price was bit reluctant in taking resistance near 6060. Finally, what it happened, the price was bit comfortable in breaking 6060. You can see this white candlestick breaking 6060, and it tried to test the 6100 zone. We know that earlier it acted as a resistance here, so the same thing happened. It again acted as a resistance. Now 6060 was converted into a support zone, so the price was staying again there was a test towards 6100 zone, but still it found a resistance that pushed the price down and below 6060. So again there was a huge consolidation, and finally the price closed around 6063. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the yesterday's market. Even we had a crude oil inventory report in this time frame that also didn't provide a very clear picture. So on seeing the price action, we could identify that we didn't get anything clear out of that inventory report, so the market behaved as neutral. You can notice the price opening and closing are equal, and the price had created a marginal new high compared to the previous day, and it had not created a new low also. So it is a pure consolidation phase, and again as per our expectation, the price took in and around of 6060, and it's trying to do something here. We could identify that clearly, and we had identified that earlier. Since this is a new contract, so it is quite normal, because yesterday the contract expires, so it is quite normal to see this type of price action when the contract opens. So today what we can do today, if you see what happened earlier when the price tested this particular area of 6100, finally the price closed around the same area where it closed today. So sorry, yesterday. Not much difference. But the difference that happened on the next day was the price opening below 6060. Straight away there was a pressure to push it down. So today the price opening can play a crucial role. Before looking into that, now let us go and see our exact Goodwill Commodities charting tool. So this is our complete indicators added charting tool, which what we are providing free for our clients. You can notice right after the price opening there is no difference in the candlestick, only we have added few indicators, moving average and channels. You can see that right after the price opening, the price was trying to take a support, and after then our charting tool provided a clear indication everything is in the consolidation phase. And when the price takes some breakout above 6060, it provided an indication that is something for buyers. And after the price constantly finding a resistance around 6100 zone, it found it difficult, and the price gave a sell indication below 6060, because it had identified that at least this time the price can possibly come down, but it didn't happen, and finally price closed around 6063. So this was the entire price action. Actually what happened in all our charting charting tool decision, you can see where it took this 6060 as a reference zone. like what we expected. That is the importance of providing this video presentation, because we identify and we identify the key zone where this charting tool will take as important zone. So you can see it had identified this area like how we had identified it manually. Both the things are different. The the charting tool is designed to identify the major supports and resistance and pivot points, and we are doing it manually. So if we combine this both together, and we can get a exact very good result for trading. That is the objective of providing this video analysis along with this charting tool. So if you notice that above 6060, it waited for the price to give a breakout and then provided a signal. So again, in this particular area also, we can notice that after providing a signal, the market found a retracement, but still we identify that how it possibly identified providing a sell decision considering the 6060. Today the expected price opening can be above the previous day's price closing. We are expecting crude oil to open above 6063. Might be we can get a price opening above 6007, near 6070 and 6080 zone. So today also we are going to stay in the same decision, having 6060. Our charting tool is also in the exact direction. Our moving average is also staying in 6060. So you can expect a good trading swing for today, having 6060 as a middle zone. If the price is constantly staying above 6060, you can expect the price to break 6100 and possibly reach 6162. So this is the target zone if the price is going to provide a breakout, because you can notice that 2-3 times the market had found a resistance around 6100. So if it is going to break it, and then you can expect the price to test this zone. But if that is not happening, the market is likely to come down and test the great psychological zone of 6000. And if you find any closing below or below 6060 or below 6020 and 6000, then it is going to be the continuation of the downtrend. Now the price is really struggling to identify the trend. It is in the consolidation phase. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.